destroyer. Right there you saw what we call a cross-footed, cross-handed spinning lawnmower. A lot of these tricks have such a crazy names as the riders riding these bikes. Check this one out. About to walk it out for you. Make some noise for Trevor out there. Backwards tail whip, also known as Kinky Squeaks, and riding out, oh, a little endo action right there. This is actually a really small area, really slippery area for Trevor to be riding in. He usually rides in big old tennis courts and basketball courts, so that's why we brought Trevor out here. He's one of the very few flatlanders that can actually ride in a spot this small and still throw down. So you guys are seeing one of the best in the world. Check that out. Going crazy, no brakes on that one. Sticking a foot through. Give it up for Trevor. First run of the day. When it starts out like that, it can only get crazier. We got a whole lot of rad athletes with us. This is Mikkel's first day on tour with us. He also does a tour. He goes over in Baghdad. They do a thing called Bikes Over Baghdad, and what they do is they go over there and they do shows for the troops. We got a lot of troops out there, and those guys putting in a lot of hard work. He's one of the riders that goes over there and entertains and helps keep a smile on those guys' face. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's put a smile on Mikkel's face. Give it up for him. He is out there working it. Nice one-footed invert right there. Give it up. First time for him on this ramp. Just joining the tour with us. PL dropping in right about now. PL popping out some smooth airs. I know we got some skaters out there going frontside and backside. This boy known to get some air. Keep an eye out for him at the X Games this year. Huge judo air right there. Yeah, nice tail grab for you. Making it look easy. Throwing in all kinds of style. There's that grind all the way across this ramp. And tail sliding all the way across. Hitting that inject button. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for PL. We're going to keep it going. We're going to keep it going. We got Edo Yasutoko dropping in. Guys, I'm going to start dropping some of the facts on you. We definitely came out here to send you home with a little bit more information about bullying. It's basically a big problem in the U.S. It's a big problem everywhere, but in the U.S., it's gotten a little bit out of hand. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some of these statistics. Go ahead and make some noise, guys. Make some noise. I know I'm going to be telling you some stuff. We definitely didn't come out here to lecture you, so I'm just going to go ahead and flow it. This is a pretty crazy show to MC. I'm going to give you some facts, but if you see something you like, go ahead and overshadow my voice. Go ahead and yell, scream, shout, jump up and down. Show some love for these guys. Mr. Jimmy Walker out there, big old X-Up going opposite. X-Up one-footer. Whoa, hang on to it, Jimmy. A little crazy out there, a little crazy. One-hander. All right, guys, I'm going to start telling you some of these facts. If you can remember some of this stuff, some of it's just numbers. Some of it's just stuff we want you to know. Because if you're out there pushing somebody around, you need to stop it. If you're the person being pushed around, we want you to know how to deal with it. We're bringing back Trevor out here. You people in the front row, you got to make the noise. You got here early. Make the noise, Juan. All right, guys, so here's the interesting thing. If you can remember this one, I got something for you at the end of the show. Like I said, I brought jerseys, water bottles, cap bottles. Now, this is pretty crazy. 1 out of 10 students who drop out of school do it because somebody is bullying them. 1 out of 10. So that's a pretty big number right there. Remember that? I'll hook you up at the end of the show. Another pretty interesting fact is this right here. 56% of students have personally witnessed somebody being pushed around. So it means a lot of this is happening and nobody's doing anything about it. It's pretty crazy stuff, guys. I mean, if you're pushing somebody around, each and every one of us is different. Go ahead and let that person live their life. Live your life. Do your own thing. You don't need to be pushing somebody else around to be cool. So, you know, just chill on that. That was Trevor Meyer. We're gonna keep it going with Mikkel Larry. Guys, if you see something you like I said, make some noise. We're gonna go ahead and keep riding off with these facts. He's gonna give you a ton of style here, though. Another one. Come on. Now this one right here is pretty interesting. Again, just a number. If you can remember this number, I'm gonna hook you guys up. Each and every day, 160,000 students misses school because they've been bullying. So, pretty big number there, guys. Once again, pretty big number. 160,000 students a day decide not to go to school just because they think they're going to be pushed around or somebody's going to be hassling them. Those are the same people that end up dropping out of school. So basically what's happening is you're cheating somebody out of an education if you're pushing them around. And if you're being pushed around, you definitely know how it feels. So a lot of people moving out of state, a lot of people going to other schools, and there's a lot of that stuff is just unnecessary. So again, if you're doing it, go ahead and chill out. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for PL out there, putting in some work out on that skateboard. skateboard. Taking a little crash like that, that's part of skateboarding. These guys, they'll take a little slide and get right back on that board or bike, go for it right again. Ado, you got some fans out there. Make some noise for this boy. Big Air, enormous 540. He's known to do 540s, 720s, 900s. He'll even throw a 1080. This boy will spin so fast you will not know what's going on down there. So right now you're looking at the world's best. Ado Yasutoko, give it up for him, guys. Give it up. All right, dropping in again, Mr. Jimmy Walker. You never know what you're going to see out of these guys. Keep in mind, when you're screaming for them, a couple of them have motorcycle helmets on, and they can't hear you underneath that thing. So if you see something you like, make sure it is extra loud. Right there, extra one-footer, going opposite, invert on the next wall. There goes that Chicago-style one-hander, no-footer on the next wall. You'll notice Jimmy will throw variations on every wall. Something they look for in competition. They only get so much time out there to impress those judges. So, yeah. That's the big thing. Give it up for Jimmy Walker out there. He likes to wave to the crowd, get to know who's out there. We're bringing back the one and only Trevor Meyer on the flat bottom. Once again, you people on the front row, you got here early. You gotta make some noise for him. Check this out. This is what we call the peg wheelie. Wow, going to flip that bike all the way upside down. Like I said, very difficult area to ride on. It's a little trampoline-ish, a little slippery, and definitely a little bit small. So Trevor out there putting in some work today. Let's see what he's got here for us. He's going, he's going. You never know what Trevor's going to do. This guy's got a big bag of tricks. Check that out. Everything you see him do on that back wheel is strictly skill and balance. He's got no back brakes on that bike. This one's called the upside down mega spin. He's still going and riding out nice and smooth. What do you guys think of Trevor and the crew? Madness. We're going to go ahead and give you some more bully facts. We're going to talk about bullying a little bit. Now, there are 3 types of bullying. 3 types. One of them is physical, one of them is verbal, and the other one is cyber. Remember that. 3 types. If you can remember those, I'm going to hook you up at the end of the show. Physical, verbal, and cyber. Remember that, guys. We're going to talk about a little bit about that right there. Give it up for Trevor sitting on that back wheel, going all the way up to the pedal. This boy throws tricks faster than I can even call him out. We're going to start on the first one. First one, physical. Physical is obviously if you're hitting somebody, if you're shoving them, tripping them,